and gentlemen. I swear it wasn't there before.
What is up, guys? So I've been driving Audis, Porsches. I'm sure you guys are bored of me driving on the pinnacle of German engineering. Well, today I want to try something new. Today I want to try an American car. And what other car represents an American muscle car? Guys, welcome to the Mustang GT. So this is the Mustang GT Coupe, and it's got a California Edition. I'll show you guys some B-rolls in a second. It's very nicely built. I think this will be a nice driving experience because I haven't driven any American muscle car. I'm just coming straight purely from a German frequent driver as per se. So first of all, this has got the California Special. It's actually very nice interior, slightly plasticky, which is pretty normal for American cars. They put all the value, the money into the engine and the exhaust, which I'll show you guys in a bit. But other than that, it's got the Alcantara steering wheel. The steering wheel is very nice and tight. The option guide right over here. It's pretty much pampered up. It's got the rear diff. This has got the 5.0 V8, right? Pumps around 400 horsepower. Seating position is good. I don't feel weird. Only thing is it's got power seats, but not the latch. So I still gotta play on my latch. Whoa! There is touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, of course. Surprisingly, this has heated seats and cooling seats for both passenger and driver side. There is blind spots, and then there is backup camera, front and back sensor, which is pretty good for safety features and whatnot. I don't think it has lane assistance and adaptive cruise. Because I don't really drive American, so I don't really know. If you guys know where the buttons are, do let me know. It does have the paddle shifter as well. Really cool thing, I don't know if you guys seen, it's got this guy, which I'll test in a bit. So if you guys are ready, let's take it for a quick drive. Straight off the bat, the exhaust sounds amazing. I'm just tapping a tiny bit. Whew. I just tap, yo, and the car just like slides. But this car slides. Guys, so I'm just on the highway right now, driving under the speed limit. It's a pretty nice ride. It's just, I'm not even at sport right now, and I don't dare even close to floor it. It's really tail happy, and it just slides. I know it's rear drive and just at the front, so maybe that's why there's not much available grip at the back. Because if you watch my previous vlogs, I drove the GT3 RS. Similar concept, right? 3.8 liter NA rear drive, but for that one, the engine's at the back, it's at the front. For the GT3 RS, there's way more grip on the tires, but let me just check if there's less like tire treads on this car. But other than that, the exhaust sounds glorious. I'm just on normal driving right now. Don't even dare for it. I don't even dare rev over 4,000 RPM. I'm just super scared because I just see that it's gonna like slide out. Brakes is very light and delicate too. It's not like it's very hard brake. It's a very nice brakes system. It brakes gradually, very light. Steering wheel, it's medium, I would say. You do get slight feedback. The car won't, I would say, it's agile in any way, but it's still a really nicely balanced car. I just don't even dare floor this car. It's a very nice car. You can go very fast. It's just I don't feel the confidence to go fast. Maybe it's the tires, maybe I'm not experienced enough. Even at comfort, slight step, you get so much in torque, but there's no grip. Cars it's like spinning like crazy. If you feel like more of a hooligan ride, this is the ride for you. If you want something a bit more calculated, a bit more precise, this might not be the best choice, but trust me, it is a fun ride. It exhausts. There's not much pop and bangs, but it's more very deep, very raw. It's got that American muscleness sound to it, if it makes sense. 8 out of 10 because I really like the pop and bangs. But if you like the pure American muscle-like sound, this is the way to do it. This, ladies and gentlemen, I swear it wasn't there before. Okay guys, doesn't that sound drive you crazy? Can't they just do like a normal tick 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 sound? Why do I have to do this like motion? That does drive me a bit crazy, but other than that, it's a pretty sweet ride, guys. That is it, guys. I'm back to my dealership. What a ride. So on the way back, I did some like POV as well because I was wearing this really cool necklace just for you guys. I think when the tires warmed up, it's got a bit more gripped and I play with the different drive modes. Honestly, Hooligan is a beast. The one I was talking about, this is City Sport Plus. So this is basically how you tune to a different mode. Go to Sport Plus, it's gonna slide. Yep, sliding. If you're looking for like a track day weapon, this won't be it. But if you're looking for a track day hooligan, you just want to slide your way, slide
into your girlfriend's DMs.
This will be it. Honestly, I did some research as well. The original MSRP for this is around 65,000 US. Compared to a 911, it's like 1/3 of the price. And if you put that into consideration, 1/3 of a 911, 1/3 of an R8 or whatnot, you get a V8. You can do manual or automatic, 5.0 V8. I think it's a great deal. Surprisingly, the balance is actually not bad. Yes, it's not as delicate. Yes, it's not as agile as a proper sports car. Exhaust sounds amazing. Yes, there's some plastic. You might need to concern is that you'll be sliding, so your tire wear might be a bit high. It's so much fun. Who cares? If this is in my budget, absolute must buy, man. You get the heritage of an American Mustang. You get all the history. So this is my quick video of this 2017 Mustang GT Coupe in the California Edition. If you guys like this kind of videos, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, you know what to do. Do let me know in the comments below what you guys think. Do you think this is a good buy? And then if there's other cars, is there one that you want me to test drive to? Again, thanks for watching. This is your boy Albert. Peace out.